Westermans here again. Little column and boom from European plant with a NA3 Subarc head with manual slides and flux recovery. No power source received, but we have an option of Lincoln 655, Lincoln DC 600 or Lincoln DC 1000. Powered up and down, motorised and powered in and out. Pendant control. Flux recovery is the ESAB air system. Overall weight is about 1,000 kilos of this. See from up there, travel vertical is 1 meter 320 and overall height 2 meters 800. More details on there that you can see. This will be cleaned and serviced to order, or can be sold as is. Prices and details can be found on the website westermans.com. Thank you for looking.